Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nabila. I'm from PBY class. Here I want to review journal. The title of journal today is Teaching Non-Traditional Students EFL Teachers Experiences, Challenges, and Future Recommendation. The authors are Leni Marzulina, Dian Erlina, Muhammad Hollandia, Heri Zhao, Hikmah Zalifa Putri, and Nurul Wahyuni. Next, the purpose of the study. The purpose of this study to explore and identify the challenges faced by English teachers when teaching EFL learners in correctional institutions for young inmates. The study aims to understand difficulties related to the classroom management, researches, environments, and students' attitudes during the teaching process. Next, the design of the study. These researchers used a qualitative case study. The researchers focused on real teaching situations and experiences from English teachers who taught inside a correctional institutions. The design allowed the study to observe natural teaching conditions when researchers' interventions, making the findings more accurate and descriptive. Next, the location and participant. The locations was conducted at a first-class correctional institution for children in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia. The participants who were two English teachers selected using provide sampling. They were chosen because they were officially assigned to teach English in the institution. They had direct experiences teaching teachings in Mitch, and they were familiar with the curriculum rules inside the correctional environment. Next, the data collection. Data were collected using structured phone interviews. The interviews consist of 25 questions related to lesson participants, teaching strategies, classrooms environment, students' behavior, available resources, and personal teaching experiences. All responses were recorded and transcribed for analysis. Next is data analysis. The data were analyzed using thematic analysis. The process began with transcribing the interview recordings and organizing the data. The researchers coded important statements and grouped them based on similarities. These groups were later developed into themes that represented teaching challenges. The thematic analysis helped transfer raw interviews data into meaningful findings. Member checking was also conducted to ensure accuracy, where participants confirmed that the final results matched their factual experiences and perception. Next, the major findings is the findings of the study revealed four main challenges experienced by the teachers. First, teaching time was very limited, with only 20 minutes per season, making it difficult to deliver complete and effective English lessons. Second, the students showed negative attitudes, including low motivation, lack of respect, and difficulty following classroom rules. Third, the institutions did not provide textbooks or learning materials, forcing teachers to create and simplify their own material based on the curriculum. Finally, classroom conditions were uncomfortable due to poor ventilation, limited facilities, which affected both teaching and learning quality. Last is connection with relevant study. I choose relevant journal from Tobing 2022. The title of the journal is Teaching Activities in an EFL Class for Refugees in Detention Center. The authors are Tobing, year 2022, volume 2, number 2, page 78 until 95. The relevant connection and the finding is 1. First, both studies examine English teachings in restrict and non-traditional learning environments. Second, both found that these learners have low motivation and negative perception of English learning. Third, limited teaching resources and controlled environments make teaching challenging. And fourth, teachers in both studies must modify materials and adjust teaching strategies to match teachers' needs and context. Okay, I think that's all from my review. I'm very sorry there are so many mistakes from my review. Thank you so much for your good attention. See you at the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.